The Galaxy S24 Ultra, Samsung's top smartphone, is expected to retain a 4-camera system. While the primary ultra-wide and first telephoto cameras will stay unaltered from their predecessors, the long-range telephoto camera will be improved. Recent reports suggest the Galaxy S24 Ultra will improve capabilities while recording 8K videos. According to tipper Ahmed Quater, the phone would include a 200-megapixel camera, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera, a 10-megapixel telephoto camera, and an enhanced 50-megapixel telephoto camera. This update enables the recording of 8K videos with up to 5x zoom by utilizing resolution and bigger pixels in the telephoto lens for greater light collecting. The latest Galaxy S23 Ultra supports 8K video recording at 30 frames per second. When zooming in during this mode, it relies on digital zoom. In comparison, the S24 Ultra has a 5x optical zoom lens for increased reach while shooting high-quality video in 8K resolution. Additionally, sources suggest that the Galaxy S24 Ultra will have portrait mode with a 5x zoom function, as well as stabilization features for both daytime and low-light scenarios. According to sources, the device's AI object-aware engine works with both rear-facing cameras. It is expected to have portrait effects as well as a variety of amusing image features. On the other hand, the S24 Ultra is reported to include a 12-megapixel selfie camera, similar to the one seen in the Galaxy S23 series. According to Ahmed Quater, Samsung has partnered with Meta to improve the quality of images and videos uploaded on Facebook and Instagram. This collaboration enables users to upload HDR images and videos on Meta's social media applications, increasing the attractiveness of capturing memories on these platforms. According to earlier reports, the Galaxy S24 will have a simple lock screen button for sending images to Instagram and Snapchat. Surprisingly, it looks that only the Ultra will feature a camera set among the selection. Sources suggest that the camera specs for the Galaxy S24 and S24 Plus will be identical. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.